Okay, I am here with Gizmo, and we're here to discuss our Redneck F-150 phone mount. Keep wanting to say camera, but it's a phone mount. No, Gizmo. So he wants to box it. He wants to lick it. No. He wants to get a hold of it. Boxers and cell phones are not compatible. Your boxer cannot have a cell phone. Anyway, it's a Redneck phone setup because it uses classic redneck building materials. It's got 2x4 and handyman secret weapon duct tape. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna take a look at it and how to build it, how much it costs. It's I don't have the exact cost, but I spent less than $15 on building materials and it looks pretty nice. Okay, so we're inside the truck now, and this is the phone mount. You can see it's pretty steady, pretty strong. It's probably less than $15 of building materials. I got the phone mount itself off of, or the plastic portion here, off of Amazon I got it on special for less than $10. It's very simple. It's one of the ones that's got a little extension here. You need a little bit of extension to get the thing out over your dashboard here. So basically what I wanted to be able to see it and easily touch it when I'm going down the road. I wanted it to not block my view as much as possible and to sit, and not block the screen here. So this is about the perfect location. I did see some much more expensive solutions online for might have been $150, $200 for some nicer ones that kind of mount to the tray up here. Some were certainly less, but nothing is this inexpensive. So I'll go through the setup now and what's involved. I'm not going to take the tray apart. I did have to take out the tray up here, which you can find some other videos on YouTube that show how to do that. It's really easy. I forget if there's 2 or 4 screws under there, but it's really easy to take apart. There are some clips under it, so you have to be careful with the clips when you pull it out. But it's a simple. There's the pull-out tray on top here that you take that off. It just pulls right off. And then there's a little plastic tray underneath that you unscrew to pull out. So it's pretty easy. You don't have to take apart the whole console or anything like that. I did do one drill hole in that console to screw up into the spacer that's under here. So I needed the spacer to get it up a little higher to go into the right spot. It wouldn't go as well without it, wouldn't fit as well. And the way this mount works is typically they have like either a suction cup or a little sticky pad you can use. In this case, I've got the sticky disc is under there that came with the phone, and the suction mounts to that disc. So I think most of the phone mounts come with those. And what's underneath, for the way I made the spacer was, I couldn't find, if I could have found something in the store like it, I would have just bought it. But what I did was I used a 3-inch hole saw, which this one is a Linux. These things are, if you don't have one, they're about $20. You can get it at a big box store or online. So if you don't have one, that'll jack up the price of your phone mount to about $35. But and I just used here's the 2x4 I used to create the spacer. So use the hole saw here, just goes into your 2x4 to create the hole or the spacer, and you pull the spacer out and it just goes right there. And I use some black duct tape around it, which kind of matches the console. From the outside, you can't tell that it's duct tape. It looks pretty good. My wife, when she saw it, she said, I want one. So she was pleased with it. The other materials you need, so I made the spacer, and the sticky disc here, by the way, they don't stick very well to the console if you tried to do it that way. But this works real well. So the other thing I needed was a lag screw and a washers. The lag screw, I got a 5/16 lag screw, and but when you do use the hole saw here, it's already got a drill bit in the middle, and that effectively makes your pilot hole through the section here. So you don't even have to drill another hole for the screw. The screw just goes right through that pilot hole. And you also want to make it a little stronger. You don't want to have this thing depend on the screw holding it in to the console itself. So what you should use is some sort of, I used a fender washer. I got a big fender washer. You get these at your big box hardware stores. I also used a lock washer. I don't know if that was necessary, and I don't even know if they work. I've seen some arguments online that these things don't do anything, but it shouldn't hurt. So anyway, a lag screw, a fender washer, and a lock washer is what I have under here to hold it in, and it holds really well. I've been using it for a while. I haven't had any trouble whatsoever. And I've got a sample phone to stick in here so you can see what it looks like with the phone in it. Hopefully this shows up okay with the lighting. It works real well. Again, under $15. This is an F-150, 2023 F-150. It might work on some other trucks. I don't know. Probably depends on your exact model. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below the video, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. Redneck. Hey, don't bust my camera. Off. Gizmo, off my channel. Hey, off my camera. No. Nope. Off. Hey, sit. Don't you mess up my redneck camera. So this is our redneck camera mount, but this isn't the real one. This is just for the thumbnail to get the video started. And I'm gonna go inside the truck and show the redneck camera mount, which was pretty inexpensive. And the reason it's a redneck, the reason it is, hey, I'm holding Gizmo back so he doesn't eat my phone. Okay, this is the redneck phone mount for an F-150. Gizmo is helping me out here. Gizmo, off. Gizmo. And Gizmo wants to slobber my phone here. The hole there. And Gizmo, don't bite my camera, don't bite my phone. Hey, nope. And the other thing I didn't mention in the video is, hey, oh, no. Well, you about did it. Sit. This is why boxers can't have cell phones. Sit. Hey, no. Don't do that. So boxers can't have cell phones. They are not compatible. So anyway, another thing I forgot to mention in the video was, Gizmo, where are you going? Redneck setup because, no, Gizmo. You gonna behave, buddy? What you doing? All right, now we're gonna go inside.